You hear us talk a lot about box. I don't know why anybody plants it anymore, because quite honestly, this is what can happen to it. Just look at the state of that. This garden suffered with a bit of box tree caterpillar. It also suffered with a bit of blight, and bringing it back to health is really, really difficult. So what we do, and in fact Bob's got a watering can, you can see it's lovely and brown as it comes out there, and that is I'm going to come behind him there, don't want to get that on me, and that is liquid seaweed, and we're putting it all over the front, all over the top, and then we'll go down the other side as well and do it as well. And this is basically a liquid feed. Yes, some of it will go in the root, but most of it will go in through the foliage. It's a great foliage feed. So that's what we're doing. So you'd like to see some of the tulips. They've nearly finished. These tulips were planted 3 years ago in this garden, deep planted, and you can see that they're all still looking pretty good indeed. So a couple of things I've shown you today. That's box. Don't buy box, buy euonymus. You won't have as much trouble as you do with box. How to feed it, how to try and get it back into health. Liquid seaweed. More tips and hints on World Radio Gardening.